one I carried from Canada.
Okay, unboxing.
Her memory is so good. Mama's memory is so good.
Like the colors.
Right.
My mind.
It's heavy, ah.
Baliktad
It's
ata.
heavy.
Baliktad. Nandito yung monitor.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gosh.
But the price is still there.
Oh my God. Sorry, Boom.
You're better. Now I remember everything you say.
Oo, ito yung monitor.
Oh my God. Oh, it says, hello.
Remember now?
Yeah.
I don't even know how to open this thing.
Like that. You have to do that. Hello. Ayan na.
Okay.
Oh, daddy na paper cut.
Ayan na.
Oh my God. Be careful.
Wow, it's
Baka malaglag sa gilid.
Ay,
I
matanggal.
cannot always share the phone with you.
Hold it. Hold it.
Because
Okay.
Tita Lori uses it.
Oh
for
my
It's
the-
God.
survive bombs.
What are you gonna say to Adi Bob?
Thank you.
Oh, yan na siya. Nakawakan mo. Hello.
I might anxiety.
Nakpik. Oh, may kumagat. Ang ganda ng color, ha?
Ay, no forza.
Ayun.
You need anything.
So, yeah, nagpiprepare na siya. Oh my God. Cheese. Oh my God.
Ito yung makikita ko sa mga online meeting namin.
Who chose blue?
Galing.
You chose blue?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She requested.
Alam ko na naman yan.
Well, packaging is good.
Galing. Nakawakan mo?
Natakot ka ba?
Yeah, baka kasi malaglag siya eh.
Hindi na dapat.
Walang naman ito.
Okay, go.
Box lang.
Ito yung keyboard. Oh my, ang ganda ng keyboard.
Okay, bye-bye, sweetheart.
Oh my God.
Don't cry.
Wala akong masabi. Oh my God.
Take your tears when I'm gone.
Can you touch?
Kaya ako hindi ko na kilala. Hindi ko na kilala.
Your grandma became a toy.
Tapos yung sinabi niya, Nino,
Look at the cord, oh. Ang laki.
May included yata
What's this?
mouse. Cord.
Oo, meron nga siyang mouse.
You're
Mouse
getting
ba?
forgetful. Those are signs of old age.
Okay.
Jay needs to see this.
3 months.
Dito. Tsaka wala pang guarantee na meron talaga sila makukuha.
That has everything you wanted.
Yeah.
I guess you
Yeah,
wanted
my
the basic
fingers are
or-
stiff.
There was too
I
much of a
can't play
coincidence.
anymore.
Alin?
Like,
Whatever she wanted was
Yeah.
that.
It's very
Yeah, di ba?
Eksakto nga eh. At
Eksakto.
saka one
I just
last piece.
remember the
No?
melodies in my
Alright,
mind.
Meant to be.
No, I said I'll just buy it and I'll return it. Kasi sabi ko,
Hello, hello. Nasa bahay na po kami. Update. Ito po yung ating pinapagawa. Naka-blue. Thank you kay ate. Ate Bombs, di ba?
For this giant.
For this giant box na galing pa sa US talaga. So, nakita nyo yan? Yung apat na yan? Yan. Okay. So, lahat ng specs na gusto niya, nakuha niya. Nandito siya. And meron pa siyang ganito. Ayan. So, ayun. Okay. Ito yung kanyang flowers ng birthday niya. O, di ba? Buhay pa rin.